So this is the roof at SECRT Sabana. SECRT Sabana. This is the name of them. There's a lot of green up here, which is kind of litty. It's good to see. You got the green up here. This is real, so that means definitely coming up here to water it. This is sand, but yeah, SECRT Sabana. All right, let's go down and come in here. You walk down. Hola.
Hola.
This is a bathroom. Hey. This is the view. Okay. One bathroom. This is another bathroom. Okay. So now we're gonna check out some of the rooms. These are like the content rooms. This is the Alice in Wonderland, as you can see. Cafe machine. Across the hall. This is like one of my favorite rooms to hang out in. And it's really comfortable. By the way, each room has its own thermostat. You connect into the Bluetooth for the speakers here. I'm still trying to figure out what this one is for. I don't know. That's the speakers for the sound. It's for the lighting in here. Which you can't really see right now because it's daytime, but the lighting is awesome. Let's go further. All right. This one right here is the duck room. A clawfoot tub, standalone. Great for pictures. You can get inside and put the bubbles, the balls on top of you, like the bubbles. And I took some pictures in here. It's not that bad. It's kind of. This is my least favorite room, just because it's very simplistic. Ain't really much to it. Astronaut room. Astronaut guy up there. And yeah, that's that. Let's go on. This is another one of the good rooms right here. And again, this is all accessible for everyone who's staying in the building. It's open 24 hours, 7 days a week. Only time it's really difficult to get in here is if perhaps they're up here cleaning, you know, but other than that, it's really self-explanatory. And this is the last room on this floor. I call this the love room. And it turns red, the whole room lights up pretty red.
Right.
Bien. You good?
Somebody in here, but this is one room.
And so we shot here. This was it.
Okay, then I'm gonna keep going. Here's another room.
And then that's it. So then we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna hit the 7 real quick. Right now we're on the 31. This is all the things on the floor. Right now we're in this floor, piso, floor 31, piso 1, piso 31, 31. We're gonna go down to 7, which is here, the gym. I'm gonna show you the gym. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh yeah. Oy. So yeah, the ceiling's got mirrors on it. The floor is pretty nice. Then go down to 7. Piso 7. Floor 7. Piso 7. Salida. Alright, so you come out. Alright. And you come into this part. The gym is really 2 floors, but broken into 3. And you know, you got over here to work out in. It's pretty good. Full mirror. Over there, as you see, is the gym area with people working out, so you're not gonna really interrupt that. Let's go down the steps. This is where the baño. This is where the bathrooms are. And like there's single stalls, and you shut the sliding door. There's another one there. There's another one there. Wash your hands there. And this is the other part of the gym. And as you can see, more mirrors. So if you're a content creator and you wanted to work out, collect video footage in a cool gym, this location comes with that. And I definitely took advantage of this. As you see up here, the letters is all backwards because they expect you to read it that way. All right, so now we're on the 5th floor. On the 5th floor, I'm gonna show you, this is the children's room. Down on the 4th. This is the hallway on the 5th. Coming this way. And hallway on the 5th. So we're gonna go down to, I believe it's the 3rd floor. I'm gonna show you the 3rd floor. But yeah, it's like got these cool letters all over it. As you can see, the hallway got more mirrors on it. Alright, so now we did those 3. We're gonna go to the 3rd floor. The 3rd floor is for the cinema room and a washing machine. Okay? So one of the things that was difficult about being in Costa Rica is that there's no dryers. So a lot of times we had to wash clothes. I was drying clothes in the oven. This is the cinema room. They only have it open certain times of the day. You can't just go in there. As you can see now, he's kind of cleaning it out in there. And this is the laundry room with washer and dryer. So again, if you're coming into San Jose, every location's got a Wi-Fi connection. But if you're coming into San Jose and you're from America and you want a nice little blend of best of both worlds, I believe this gives you exactly that. Now we're gonna go up to the 8th floor for a quick second. And at the 8th floor, let's see, down here. You got 5 elevators, so usually it doesn't take long to get one. So then we did 3, we did 7, 5, and 6, 31. We did 32, that was where the beach was at. Now I'm taking you up to 8th floor. And on the 8th floor, we're gonna look at the pool and the outside area where you can walk your dogs. 8th floor. Okay. So you find these locations on Airbnb, and each one of these condos, I believe, are individually owned, so they're leased out to private individuals. All right, so this is the outside area where the pool is. This is the pool. And it's heated. This is San Jose. Which is rather nice. They keep it clean. It's definitely warm because it is heated. And yeah, we got into the pool twice since we've been here. Alright, this is where I'll be seeing folks doing yoga in the morning. And the last place that I did not venture to, I'm gonna kind of just let y'all peek at it because I don't ever really come over here, and you're gonna know why in a second. So everything in here is security locked, so you need a pass to get through. This is where you take your dogs. This is the dog walk. So if you guys are traveling with pets, this is the dog walk. It smells like the dog walk, but yeah. But again, I don't ever come over here because I don't have a dog. Not yet, at least. So. Alright, that's it. So last but not least, we're gonna go downstairs. And downstairs in the lobby, I'll show you that. And that just about concludes our adventure here. Follow the yellow brick road. Wrong one. It's really follow the brick road, guys. It's a brick road. Where we at? Okay. This one right here is coming. Oh no, they went past me. Alright, so last but not least, we will hit the first floor. We did the gym, the Oculus, Terrapizza. This 8th floor, that's where we just left. We don't need to go to the playground area because I'm having children here with me today. My daughter is not with me. And then Summer Lavinda. Yeah. Peaceful. This is the first floor. So this door is the main access door. It's automatic. It's magnetized, so you can't get in or out without the key. Hold on. And then this is the jungle area. So this is like the jungle bar. Another place that you can take pictures. And they serve drinks here. It smells amazing down here. jungle bar. And again, like I said, every area in this location has a Wi-Fi and free password. So if you're here, you won't have a problem working as an expat, shooting video, or creating content. And then after that, this is the front. This is the access. Now let me explain one thing to you about access. Access here is very controlled. You are not moving freely if you do not have the proper reservations. They are not letting you through that gate. But this is the entrance, how we came in. And yeah. Just like that, I'm in my hotel. Well, it's really an Airbnb, so I don't like calling it a hotel because honestly, after looking at the development of it and how it's operated, I can see that it is a condominium that has amenities and they are privately owned. So each Airbnb, it may be owned by a company who runs the Airbnb, like an LLC, but primarily it is individually owned, and so thus, prices and the heights of the floors change accordingly. So you're not talking with the front desk, you're actually talking to the individual owner. The individual owner communicates with the front desk to inform you, okay, this person is coming, this person will be there. And just before I leave, you guys, I didn't show you the pet shower. I showed you the jungle bar, the co-working, and the lobby. Now we're going up to 15. That's what floor I'm on right now. The playground is on 4. So we on 4, so let's just check it out while we're here. This is a floor designed just for children. As you can see, we got Buzz Lightyear trophies. Apparently, somebody thought Buzz Lightyear was theirs. Because these things are like really, but no, not really. They are kind of wobbly. I see why it's missing. They should really mount those a little bit heavier. Let's go in here. This is where you can bring your children to play, see content, spend family time. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. And for once, it appears there is no Wi-Fi code here. This is the first area I saw no Wi-Fi code, which is ironic. Excuse me. So now we're gonna go up to my floor. But yeah, these are not really stable. I see why we're missing, because if a kid was being explorative, it's a chance they could have broken it. Alright. So now we're going up to 15. Hey. Piso quince. Alright. So yeah, this is my floor that my space is on. As you can see, this is how the hallways look. Very clean, minimalistic. Nothing's in the hallway. Everybody's door pretty much looks the same. Not too much characteristics to out here. Everybody's inside unit is different. Some inside units are bigger than others. Some have multi-bedrooms, some have single bedrooms. So it's all about which Airbnb you chose. The one we chose cost us $110 for 2 days. And it's minimalistic, but it's all I really needed because the goal wasn't to be in the room. The goal was to explore San Jose, and that's what I've been doing. So here we are. So I'll check back in, you guys, and look out for my next video where I will discuss with you how the suite looks. Peace.